So in theory, this seems to make sense, although it certainly is not attractive. It might be hard to tell, but it would have at least been nicer if this tape was black. It might blend in better with the screen. Also, we ended up having open areas, and you can tell that it doesn't fit flush. You can see where we followed the instructions and cut the screen along the edge of the screen door, but there's gaps because it's not actually super tight. We pulled it as tight as we could when we installed those magnets. So what I did, which looks horrible, is I added a 2-inch piece on the outside here, and then also along the bottom, but this really doesn't look very good. I'm doubtful that we would leave it. Plus, I'm concerned about the gaps. See, there's a big gap there. It doesn't really flush. So, anyway, so there's still, even without my added, there's just this gap right here. I'm not sure. Jury's out on this one. I think what they needed to do was to leave instructions to leave extra screen here, and then there needs to be a magnet, a light magnet along these sides to hold the flat screen part flat. I think more engineering is needed on this.